Hello everyone, myself V. Dilip Kumar, Assistant Professor in Department of Computer Science and Engineering, SRK Engineering College, Bhimavaram. In today's topic, I am discussing about the web technologies. Web technologies. World Wide Web is an information system where document and web browsers are identified by uniform resource locators. Today we are discussing about the HTML. The syllabus of web technologies, the first one is Introduction to HTML, Hypertext Markup Language. Here the core elements and the lists and tables, and then dynamic HTML with JavaScript. Here the JavaScript is a client-side scripting language, and then we are going with XML. In second chapter we are going with XML, Extensible Markup Language. It much like as HTML, it is designed to store and transport the data, and it is a self-descriptive language. And then we are go with the servlets. Servlets are the Java programs which are server-side Java programs. These are handling the complex requests obtained from the clients. And next one, PHP, Hypertext Preprocessor. It is also a server-side scripting language which is embedded in HTML. And then we are going with the Ajax. Ajax is a technique for creating fast and dynamic web pages. This is the overall syllabus in web technologies. We are starting with HTML. Objectives. Create basic structure of HTML file and understanding HTML elements and markup tags and working with basic level elements. Introduction to HTML. So first of all, we know about the World Wide Web. What is a World Wide Web? World Wide Web is an information system where documents and web resources are identified by using a URL, Uniform Resource Locator, which may be interlinked by hypertext and are accessible over the internet. The resources are accessible by users by a web browser and published by a software application called web server. The resources are published by web server and those are accessed by using the web browser. Web pages. Web pages are hypertext media that have been formatted in hypertext markup language. So for creating web pages, we are using the HTML. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. Hypertext Markup Language. Markup language means it is a computer language that uses tags to define elements within a document. The HTML is used to create web pages with colors, formatting fonts, and display data in tables, list and add images, create forms, buttons, and many more. HTML was developed during 1980s by Tim Berners-Lee. At CERN, the European Centre for Particle Physics, to share documents. HTML pages can be developed to display not only simple text but also complex multimedia data like sound, videos, and images, and Java applets, etc. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. It is used to create web pages. In other words, HTML documents are also called as web pages. In here, HTML creation. In HTML creation, first of all, we are open a notepad, then we are type some code, then we are saving by using .html or .htm extension, and we are open those file by using HTML document by using browser, any web browser. It will display some web page. To make the changes or edit the text by using the notepad, and by refreshing the web page, it will all the additions will be displayed on the web page. Introduction of HTML document. In HTML document, we are consisting two sections. The first one is head section and body section. In head section, we are declaring the title or any functions. In body sections, we are defining the data. And sample HTML page here. The sample HTML page which displays the welcome. It is starting with the tag, HTML tag, then header, title is basic HTML document, and closing the title, then head, body, closing the head, body, then here H1, header 1, and P, paragraph, and the output as shown in the figure. HTML tags. HTML tags. In HTML, formatting is specified by using the tags. A tag is a format name surrounded by angle brackets. Here HTML tag, HTML in between two angular tags. N tags, which switch a format of, also contain a forward slash. For example, an HTML element is everything from the start tag to end tag. Here P, paragraph starting tag and ending tag, is followed by a slash. Here the start tag and here the end tag. This indicates the start tag indicates the comments within the comments. HTML elements have attributes. Attributes provide an additional information about the elements and are always specified in the starting tag. Here the tag and followed by attribute name. Here attribute value means the size or parameter, text. These are some attributes. Points to remember for HTML tags. They are not case sensitive. Here we can using the small letters or capital letters. If your browser does not understand a tag, it will usually ignore it. White spaces, tabs, and new lines are ignored by the browser. Structure of the HTML. In the structure of the HTML, we are having two sections. The first one is the header section and second one is the body section. Here the header section is generally given for declarations and body section is for definitions. And core HTML elements. The HTML tag tells the browser that this is an HTML document, and HTML tag represents the root of an HTML document, and HTML tags is the container for all other HTML elements. Head. The head element is a container for metadata and is placed between the HTML tag and body tag. Title. It defines a title in the browser toolbar. It provides a title for the page when it is added to favorites. Displays a title for the page in search engine results. The core elements here, the body. In the body tag, the attributes are background, value URL specifies a background image for a document. Busy color specifies the background color of your document. Text color specifies the color of the text in your document. In background image, we can specify the URL when the image is presented in World Wide Web. Otherwise, we are giving the address in your local system. And finally, comment tags. These comment tags are generally used to improve the understandability of the users. So the programmers can easily understand the tags by using these comments. And summary. In this video, we are discussing about what is HTML and how to create a web page, and HTML structure and core elements, and finally comments. Thank you.